Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Elementary Mitch, and today I'm going to show you a really cool marble run that you can do with very limited supplies. Okay, so for this project, you're going to need obviously marbles, some kind of board that will be sturdy enough that they can use their marbles and straws on. So, I use a whiteboard, but you can use a piece of cardboard. Straws, and I will cut these in half so that they fit onto the board. I give them masking tape, or you can use painter's tape, and I give them scissors so my lower grades can cut off pieces to attach their straws onto the board. And then some kind of wooden block or something that they can use to lean their board or cardboard on, so that we're giving gravity a chance to have their marble go down this. Now let's go to the setup. Okay, I'll usually put some kind of sticker up here or post-it so the students know where their marble is supposed to start. It doesn't matter where you put it. It can be here or in the middle. And what they're going to do is take their straws and attach it to their whiteboard or cardboard so that the marble goes down. And their goal is to have their marble come to the middle here. We don't want it to go off to the sides. And I just tell them we're looking for the slowest time. Can you make your marble take the slowest time to get down to the bottom? And so I'll time them. I'll time them and just say, okay, put your marble up here, ready, set, go. And then I'll watch it, and then I'll stop it as soon as their marble hits the table. And then they're looking to just get, again, the slowest time. Okay, let go. Yes! Okay, guys, so that's it. I went this route because I didn't have enough cereal boxes. I've seen where they can do a marble run on a cereal box, and I'm like, wow, I have so many students, I don't have enough cereal boxes for that. And so I was looking for a way for them to still have fun and do a marble run, but not have a ton of, cardboard boxes type thing. This was really easy for me. And the cleanup is really easy too. I just have my students take all their straws. I have little containers like this at the end of the class period. They just put all their straws into the container, and then I just toss the straws when the classroom is done. And then I have containers for their marbles. And so cleanup is real easy, and it's just a fun, simple, not a whole lot of materials way for students in a STEM class to enjoy a marble run. So hopefully that was a neat project for you to try out, and I will see you in my next video.